I'm Tony Janko, and this is my partner, Tony Eads, and we are the Janko Realty Group. We are excited to launch this new video series that outlines in detail the home buying process in a step-by-step format.
Here at the Janko Realty Group, you will get our full attention, 24/7 availability, and access to the top lenders and home inspectors, as well as our expert and honest advice. We believe it's our job to not only find you the perfect home, but to also educate you throughout the entire process so you know you are making the best financial decision, which brings us to the very first step in the home buying process, and that's hiring the right realtor.
If you're like most buyers, you're probably already looking for properties on various different websites, and that's a great start, but you don't have to go it alone. It's time to partner with the professional realtor to represent you. So just how do you select and find the right realtor? Well, hopefully you'll contact our team so that we can meet in person and see if we would be a good fit. Remember, not all realtors are right for all people.
You need to find someone who is not only great at his or her job, but someone you like, as you're going to be spending a lot of time with that person. So get together and chat and see if you click. And if so, you need to determine if that person has the experience, customer service, and understanding of the market that you're looking for. Start out by noticing how quickly the realtor responds to your initial phone call or email. And if the realtor doesn't get back to you within a maximum of 8 hours, that's a bad sign. If they don't return your email or phone call promptly, and I would expect them to get back to you within 2 to 3 hours, you should move on and find someone else.
In real estate, getting back to someone quickly, particularly when you're negotiating a deal, is critical. If your agent can't be bothered to get back to you quickly, what else is he or she not going to be bothered to do? This business moves fast, and deals can be lost if your realtor doesn't respond quickly on behalf during your negotiations. When it comes time for the actual meeting, if convenient for you, we recommend meeting at their office so you can see what kind of environment they work in.
So make a mental note of the following. Is their office professional? Is the receptionist welcoming, as this can say a lot about the office in general? Is the agent on time to meet with you? How is the agent dressed? Are they dressed professionally? This can say a lot about how they view their business and their clients.
During the meeting with the realtor, start by asking them these very specific questions. Are you a full-time realtor? How long have you been in real estate? How many clients have you worked with in the past year? How many clients are you currently working with? What tools do you have, especially for first-time home buyers? What areas do you primarily work?
Will you be showing me homes, or will your assistant? And are you willing to work with me if I find a home that's for sale by owner? Do you have any formal negotiation training? How do you negotiate deals? Do you handle the inspection negotiations? Do you attend the walkthrough? Do you attend the closings? And what qualities differentiate you from other realtors? This list can also be found downloaded from our website at jankorealtygroup.com.
We hope this helps you find and partner with the right realtor. If you have any questions or you wish to set up a meeting with us, call or text us 317-414-9355 or
317-430-1608.
And make sure to watch for our next video where we will discuss step number 2, getting pre-approved. Thanks.